Hey everyone, welcome back to Riggin Woods. Today we are located just outside of Bailey, Colorado at Slaughterhouse Gulch. This trail is rated as a difficult trail. There should be about 3 or 4 obstacles that we're gonna hit, so we might get a little flexy. It definitely looks like it's gonna rain, so we're gonna try to hit it real quick, but stick with us for the next couple minutes and see what Slaughterhouse Gulch is all about. Thanks everybody. Slaughterhouse Gulch is a fun, moderate to hard loop close to the town of Bailey. Most of this trail is surrounded by beautiful aspens and wildflowers if you go during the right time of year. It's really one of my favorite areas. What is really cool about this trail is that it's actually maintained and preserved by a local Jeep crew in Colorado called the Mile High Jeep Club. Their goal is to protect, preserve the natural beauty of the terrain of these trails. They also do some really awesome humanitarian missions and help the community here in Colorado. Please go and check them out. The 8-mile loop has a number of good small obstacles. You can make a whole day out of climbing up and down the rocky sections of this trail. While the trail isn't as scenic as some of the other trails in Colorado, the aspen groves turn a beautiful gold and red in the fall. I can only imagine how beautiful it is during that time of year. It's definitely worth revisiting at some point, but let's go ahead and enjoy all this trail has to offer for us. As you can see several times in the video, it is very wet and muddy while wheeling this trail. We were actually surprised that we didn't see very many people doing Slaughterhouse, as I have heard before that it is a highly trafficked trail during the weekends. I wanted to keep this section of the video as a reminder to everyone to tread lightly while being on the trail. The trail is used by local farmers for their herds, not just four-wheelers, so be sure to be on the lookout for these guys. Alright everyone, thanks for watching the video. I will leave you with some awesome scenic drone shots to wrap it up. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos in the future. Thanks everybody.